Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. I'm just down at my allotment very quickly today because we've had a lot of flooding and rain everywhere. So I've got these plants in my polytunnel and I can't let them dry out. Fennels, spring onions and my chili peppers. So what I'm doing, I'm just giving everything a light watering. And then there's not much that I can show you today because of the weather. We've had some really bad flooding in different places. I've never seen rain fall like this. It's like that monsoon rain what we've been having over here. I've never seen rain fall like that over here before. So just giving these water. These are my turmerics. They look like lilies, but that's the turmeric. Just giving my tomato, my melons a quick water and that, because I can see that they're producing melons again for some reason. There's quite a few there now I'm seeing. There's quite a few I can see, some at the back. I don't know why that is, but they're like the size of a golf ball now. So let my camera, well, we have to use the phone today because we didn't bring the camera out due to the rain and everything. You can see they're about the size of a baseball. So I'm giving them some feed. I'll put some tomato feed in there. And I'm just gonna give my chili peppers a little bit of a feed. So I'm gonna, all the leaves are starting to fall off now. I don't know what's wrong with these Scotch bonnets this year neither, because they've got loads of flowers and then the peppers are really tiny. This is the size of the fruit here. They're not all that big. So I don't know what's wrong with them. And these chocolate ones, these are the two chocolate ones, so I'm just giving those a bit of a feed. So if you like our videos, please remember, like, share and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment, you can leave a comment in the comment section, or we'll get back to you on them. So I'm going to carry on giving these a quick water, then I'll be back with you. Right everybody, so I'll finish watering. I have to get out of here quick because I just put some of that bowl mixture down. So I just wanted to quickly show you my chili peppers. Someone's been asking, is my chili still going? Yes they are. You see the chilies what's on them. I don't know if these are hot ones or we've got two red ones and green ones in it, but I don't know how hot they are. So that's the size of my chilies. But next time I come down I'll sort them out. So that's that size one. These are the longer ones, which are this side, and then I've got baskets of fire, so I think these are the hot chilies. which are the red and green ones. I think these are the hot ones. Then I've got Scotch bonnets over here, and they're just, I don't know why my one gets to this size, because I know Scotch bonnets are usually bigger than this, but they're usually bigger than this, and but these ones, what I noticed with these ones are really hot. So I don't know if these are a different variety of Scotch bonnets. And then the chocolate. This was that one what was left, and it was just a little stalk, and I left it and it carried on growing, and I can say today that it's got fruits on it, which are those ones. So you can see we're still getting stuff from here. So I'm going to get out of this tunnel now because it's getting a bit overbearing in here with that garlic. God, you can't really see nothing out here. Let my cameraman go around and show you. There's nothing really to see out there because the rain stopped for a little bit, so that gave us a little passage. I had to go round and around this morning and then go back home, and then I came out and I said I might as well just take a chance and come up the motorway and see. Right, so just looking off the polytunnel. See, my tomatoes have really had it. Because I know I always get mushrooms growing. My cameraman's zooming on those. I always get those mushrooms growing, but I wouldn't eat them. I don't know what kind of mushrooms they are. You see my roses are starting to flower again. Things are getting ready to come out now. I still want to try to sort the compost for the 2 beds, so I can get my garlics in and my onions in for the winter. Sorry if the picture's not good, we have to use the phone. My spinach in the bucket, what I planted out, that's starting to grow up. Still got carrots and that. Still got the corns. Yeah, need to dry out a little bit more. Got my cho-cho, which ain't gonna do anything this year. I can't see that. See my pumpkin starting to dry out now, and I haven't had any powdery mildew this year with them. Neither have I had powdery mildew with the courgettes or the cucumbers. I think that might be my last cucumber this year. The courgettes I see starting to flower again, and I've got corns over there. I've got something started eating them again. Either voles or something coming and eating them off when they're so you have to watch them, and as soon as they get brown you pick them and freeze them. If you pick them now, they're going to be a bit long, I think, so I'm going to wait give it till Friday, because I'm not coming back down here till Friday. all this rain, we're gonna, as I said, we're gonna have rain right up till Thursday. So just looking at this cho-cho, it's just flowering everywhere. But and you can see one little cho-cho here, little tiny one there. But I don't think there's a few, but I don't think they're going to come to anything. The weather's gone now. We're coming up to winter. So hopefully that's all we can do for today. Just a quick thing. Still got our pumpkins hanging up there. They're still starting to dry out, but they're starting to crack. I could pick them, but I'm going to leave them till Friday. You can hear the alarm. That one alone. You can hear them. They're ready for picking, but leave them till Friday or whenever. We'll see how the weather goes. So that's all I can do for now. So hope you enjoyed this one. Can't see anything through the covering, but you get all the little smells out as well. Still got my 2 fingers in. Get no fruits this year, but I can see fruits up there, so I don't know. I don't think they've come through anything. This is the other bed what I want to put get the compost for. Every time you come you see a hole, so you know something was trying to dig down there. That's how it goes. So, see my pumpkin patch now is dying down. You can actually see the pumpkins in there now. Let my cameraman go up. You can actually see all them plants, and there's only not a lot of pumpkins in there, but there's some nice sized ones in there. Black ones there. Yeah, you get what you can manage, and I mean, you don't use pumpkins every day, but I wanted to grow something anyway. So I'll start putting it out and food, and I'll see what's in there. Give away, if I have to give away some, then I'll give away. I don't think there's a lot in there, which is one of those things. You live and learn, and you carry on as best you can. So thanks for watching, and you take care. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you can get notified when we do new videos. And if you want to leave any comments, leave the comments in the comment section. If you want to ask me anything, you can ask me. If I can answer it, I'll answer. If I can't, I can't. But we're all here to help each other. I've been watching some channels, and I see people putting up things, and I agree with them 100%. You ask questions of what you should do. A lot of people are new to gardening and stuff like that, and you ask, what should I do? Should I pull this up? Or what is this and that? And then you get underneath it, you see a lot of rude comments, stupid remarks and all that. That's not necessary. We're all here to learn and help each other. So if you can help people, help people. Don't keep leaving stupid remarks. It doesn't help the person. And I get it on my ones as well. People put something. That's why you see I don't. I used to post videos on Instagram and other channels. That's why I come off of them, and because you know you put something and then you get a whole line of people putting things that ain't even relevant to what you're asking. So I hope people realise that and stop doing it. It doesn't help the person and it doesn't help the channels that they're on. So hope you bear that in mind, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. You take care until then.